Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can sort the sneakers, let's say by popularity, newest or lowest price on StockX. So first things first, you're going to go ahead and select the sneakers option, and just by scrolling down a little bit you should be able to see this sort by, and you can select this sort by most popular, new lowest ask, new highest ask, average sale price, total sold, price premium, last sale, lowest ask, and all that good stuff. So you can just go ahead and click on any of these and you should be able to see the shoes that have the highest bid, and by clicking on it you should be able to see the view bids. You should be able to see the highest bids, okay, bid price. So basically that's it for today's video, guys. Okay, 90 million, that's cool. Anyways, that's for today's video, guys, and see you in the next one.